Today I'm going to do a quick video on changing out from your stock 2.2 rims and tires on an Axial RR10 to a set of Axial 2.2 Rockstar beadlocks with Slinger XL 2.2 tires. So let's begin. First thing you're going to do is get the rims out of the package, of course, and take out all the screws that are in the actual beadlock plate. Here's the tire that we will be putting on. Pretty meaty treads. Plan on using this for rock crawling and such adventures like that. Now, next thing you need to do also, well, real quick, that's what a finished one looks like. Next thing you're going to need to do is make sure you have the correct rim facing the correct way so that when you put the tires on, you have a left and a right. This is really frustrating after you find out you've put the tires completely together that they're both going in the same direction. Here we're going to go ahead and install the rim into the tire. After we do that, what we're looking for is the lip of the tire to fall into the groove of the beadlock rim. You can see it's under here. Once you get everything lined up, don't really press it in or anything, just get it to where you can see all the holes, and then go ahead and get your plate and put it on top. Line it up with the holes the best you can, and then start installing the screws by hand. It's very important that you don't strip out the threads in the plastic of the rim, so you want to take your time doing this. When you do this, install them in a star pattern. Make sure that you tighten in a star pattern. Now, I cheat and use a drill, and I've turned the torque all the way down to the lowest setting, and I slowly snug screws. But notice I'm not going all the way down tight. I'm doing it slowly, so I slowly push the tire bead into the rim nice and evenly. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed and hold a camera, so bear with me. And as you can see, I'm also doing this in the star pattern. Very important. So barely just tighten them down, tighten them down. Once you get close, you need to switch out of the drill if you choose to use one and go back to hand tightening. Now I'm going to hand tighten all of these. Once I feel it stop and a little bit of pressure, I'm going to stop tightening. Do not over tighten the beadlock screws, you will strip them out. Take your time, do this in a star pattern. Once you finish this, check the bead, make sure that it's evenly sealed inside of the bead lock strip. Flip the tire over and do the other side. Proceed with the other three tires. Make sure you have directionals set up correctly on your rim. I probably didn't just say that right. Make sure the direction's correct on each rim or you're going to be disappointed. This is what a complete set looks like done. And again, here's a shot of the stock RR10. This will give you a better idea of what the stock rim and tire looked like. These were glued on, not beadlocks. Still not a bad tire. And the pretty finished product. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like.